when you're trying to hang out with your buddies, but you've reached an age where your buddies are having children and you don't have children of your own. And then you got to do like really complicated things to get together with, just to hang out with your friends, like have silly things called man camp. You leave and you go away into the woods for like 3 days. But then even that stops working, and guys can't come to man camp. They're children. So, and it's done in a character of sort of a meeker version of myself, named Nils. And so it goes a little something like this. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get them both in there. I'm dancing. Okay.
Let me get right to the point, get down to the bone. All my friends are having kids, I'm still all alone. I don't get to see them, it makes me kind of angry. Buy some beans and let's have fun, act like we're still 21, it's man camp. Oh, get some cards and let's play darts, fill your undies up with hearts, it's man camp. Ah, man camp. Ah, man camp. Ah, camp, man camp. Ah, man camp. Man camp comes just once a year, so let your spirit show. Get into that greasy gear, let your friendship show. It's gonna be a special time. Pause your life and hit rewind. Leave your wife and kids behind. It's man camp. Ah, brothers, have you lost your head? I'm gonna bake banana bread at man camp. Ah, man camp. Ah.